Hi and welcome to our spoken English series of greetings. We are doing part 1 and task 4. In our previous class or during the previous task or task 3, we have done has and have. We continue with that to learn new structures with has and have. Let's proceed. In written English, we have you have. In spoken English, the word have is apostrophized, and we will be focusing on spoken English. Let us read what is there for written English and then we'll proceed with the spoken English. Let's begin. You have. You have. You have 5 minutes to clean your room. You have. You have. You have 5 minutes to clean your room. You have not. You have not. You have not given me your mobile number. It's a very casual way of saying. Instead of saying, may I have your mobile number? That's formal. We are doing the informal series. So we are saying, you have not given me your mobile number. You haven't. You haven't given me your mobile number. Have you not? Have you not? Have you not registered for the course? Haven't you registered for the course? They have. They have. They have decided to leave. They have. They have. They have decided to leave. They have not. They have not come to the class today. They haven't come to the class today. Have they not? Have they not informed you about it? Haven't they? Haven't they informed you about it? Now let us proceed to see what is there in the task. You have met a new person who has come to the language class. Greet the person using the greetings for a friendly meeting. That is, we have learned hello and the name of the person. And reply is also hello and the name of the person. Ask a question about his or her registration. We have just learned, have you registered for the class or haven't you registered for the class? The first sentence over here or the question over here is in the affirmative case, positive, and over here it is in the negative case. Listen carefully to the reply, yes I have or no I haven't. Allow your friend to ask a question about, say, now over here it is a choice is given to you. You may use any of the previous structures, or you can ask, is so and so present, is Mariam present? Reply using the structure, yes she is or no she isn't. Ask about the mobile number. If you remember, I mentioned that may I have your mobile number is formal and we are doing the informal series, so a very casual approach will be, you have not given me your mobile number. The reply could be, I don't have a mobile, I do not have a mobile, but in spoken English we say I don't have a mobile. Then you take your leave. Taking your leave is have a nice day. Okay, let's proceed to see one example pertaining to this task. The previous structure is shown in blue and the new sentences that we have learned today are shown in black. I will be reading the conversation, not the names. Let me begin. Hello Asma. Hello Sadia. How are you Asma? I'm fine, thank you. What about you? I'm fine too. Have you registered for the class? Yes, I have registered for the class. Yes, I have registered for the class. What about you? No, I have not registered for the class. No, I haven't registered for the class. Is Mariam coming for the class today? No, she isn't. You have not given me a mobile number. May I have your mobile number? I don't have a mobile. Oh, never mind. It was a pleasure talking to you. Same here. Take care. I will. Thank you. Have a good day. I will. Thanks. Bye. If you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that when I upload the next video for this series, you get the notification. Thank you.